Alright, so we just went to AutoZone. We just got the part. This is what I'm using. Take these out and that one out. Make sure you cover this hole so nothing goes in. Alright, so this is what we're using. Get all around here first. Get all the dirt. Break the fuck out of it. It's so strong. Don't let the stuff dry on there. Look at that. Twin turbos inside. Look. Okay. There's a lube on. You wait 10 minutes. And then you slap them back on. Oh, damn chickens. Alright, so now you do the opposite. You put this thing on. Boom, just like that. Put the screws. And then that's it. We gotta make sure it works, right? Yeah.